eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Somerset, or 9 miles south of Brodhead, moving north at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newark, Avon, and Judah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.